India's biggest air carrier, Indigo Airlines, continues to face a major operational crisis, now in its fifth day. With the airlines cancelling more than 400 flights today, chaotic scenes are being witnessed across airports in India. In the southern Indian state of Telangana in Hyderabad, angry flyers were seen creating a ruckus at the airport, venting their anger at the helpless Indigo ground staff.
And open more counters.
Please come then, sir.
This is not accident. This is not the way also to behave from your side as well. You are getting this behavior before because you have your.
But please come then, sir. This is not the place. There is other passengers. Please understand.
There are other passengers.
Sir,
I am fighting for their behalf also.
Sir, please
I am
understand.
representing them for their problems.
हमारा कोई ऑफ हो गया तो हमारे को कैसे पूछना आधे घंटे से हम 2 घंटे से पहले है कि हमारा फ्लाइट नहीं निकला
Tensions escalated as helpless passengers waited for a quick resolution to their grievances. At Gujarat's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad, long queues were seen as emotional passengers reacted to the unfolding crisis, with dozens of flights reportedly being cancelled since early morning. Other airports have been affected, that are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Jaipur. Thousands of passengers were left stranded due to disruption in Indigo Airlines flight schedules.
For last 2 hours, we were just waiting for another pilot to come. So there was a pilot, but due to some work and rest hours, they could not comply. Then the pilot changed, and that's how the 2 hours flight got delayed and the connecting flight got missed. Now the flight, rescheduled flight to Coimbatore came. The moment I went to enter inside, they told this is also cancelled. So now I'm checking any luck if I can get any other. Otherwise, what to do, I don't know.
There is other passengers. Please understand.
There are other passengers.
Sir,
I am fighting for their behalf also.
In Singapore, our Coimbatore flight got cancelled, so they gave us another flight. That's via Chennai to Coimbatore. But then Chennai flight got delayed because there wasn't pilot available, and now I missed my Coimbatore flight.
And open more counters.
I am surprised, not shocked by their behavior. Like what kind of alternate arrangements they have made and what kind of treatment that we are getting. Okay, so when we called yesterday, they should have told us, okay, sir, you can plan your alternate arrangements, but they haven't said that.
It is not good experience. Of course, we are worried a little bit, but I can't understand what I need to do. I'm sure, guarantee that when I go to here, nobody answer me. I'm sure.
As Indigo Airlines handles the crisis, Delhi Airport has issued an advisory to passengers to check their flight status before coming to the airport. The airport has assured passengers of streamlining the operation soon. Other carriers are now stepping in to help mitigate the situation. SpiceJet, for example, has announced that it is operating 100 extra flights over the next 2 to 3 days following Indigo cancellations. But instead of relief, passengers were in for route shock once again. Many expressed their utter shock at the surge in prices of tickets. The Delhi-Mumbai route saw Air India fares go up 5 times the rate, touching rupees 54,000, while Delhi-Bengaluru SpiceJet flight tickets were being sold for over 1 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, the Indian Railway has stepped in and announced the deployment of 116 additional coaches in a total of 37 trains operating over 114 augmented trips across the country. Issuing an apology on social media, Indigo Airlines has assured passengers of full waiver on all cancellations and rescheduled requests of booking for travel between 5th to 15th December.
Indigo, hi, hi. Indigo, hi, hi. Indigo, hi, hi. Indigo, hi, hi. Indigo, hi, hi.
Stepping in, the Indian government has ordered the aviation regulator to form a 4-member committee to review and assess the Indigo crisis, while maintaining that the flight duty time limitation norms would be strictly followed by all airlines. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Well, that is right. The crisis by the Indigo Airlines enters its fifth day today, and till 11 a.m. what we understand, there have been more than 250 flights that have been cancelled across three major busiest airports of the country, which is Delhi, Mumbai as well as Hyderabad. And even today what we understand that there could be possibility of more cancellations as well as delays as the claim is done by the Indigo. However, Delhi airport is concerned, which is also considered to be one of the busiest and the main airport junction, where there are even connecting flights much more compared to the other cities. They say that slowly things have come back to normalcy. The flight cancellations and disruptions are much less compared to what we have seen in the first 4 days. And slowly things are getting back to normal as far as Delhi airport is concerned. But for the Indigo Airlines to fully functional and be operational, that will take place a few more days. But from Monday onwards, that is December 8th onwards, what we understand that Indigo, as a call they have taken, they will leave with less number of flights. They will reduce their flight operations so that the disruptions which have created panic, chaos and frustration amongst passengers this week does not happen for the coming weeks. This is Isha reporting here for Beyond from Mumbai.